In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Promotions Manager on eBay. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to enhance your sales and outshine the competition. So let's dive right in. First things first. Accessing the Promotions Manager is essential for managing your promotions efficiently. You'll want to start by going to the Marketing section on your eBay Seller Hub. Once there, look for Promotions Manager. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. Familiarizing yourself with this tool can set the base for increasing your sales significantly. Just a tip: bookmarking this page might save you some time in the future, especially if you plan on running multiple campaigns. Now that you are in the Promotions Manager, it's time to select the type of promotion you want to create. Here, eBay offers a variety of options to choose from, depending on your marketing strategy. You could choose volume pricing, order discount, shipping discount, or even buy one get one offers. The choice largely depends on what your customers might find appealing. Consider factors like buying behavior or feedback you may have received in the past. Taking the time to choose a promotion type that aligns with your audience can markedly amplify its effectiveness. Once you've chosen a promotion type, it's crucial to set the discount details carefully. Here, you need to define specifics like the discount amount or percentage, which items will be included, and the duration of your promotion. This step is quite important as it determines the appeal of your promotion to potential buyers. Don't forget to consider your margin when setting discounts. Ensuring the promotion is enticing enough without negatively affecting your overall profitability is key. A small tip: testing different discounts can help you learn what resonates the most with your customers. Finally, it's time to save and launch your promotion. Before hitting that launch button, make sure to double-check all the details you entered. Confirm that the discount is exactly as you intended and that the correct items are included. Once you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and save your promotion. Launching it will make it live for buyers to see and buy. Don't forget to keep an eye on how your promotion performs. This feedback is invaluable for optimizing future campaigns. So there you have it. With these steps, using the Promotions Manager on eBay should be a breeze. By actively engaging with this tool, you create opportunities to attract buyers and boost your sales. Remember, the key is consistency and optimization. Keep experimenting, analyzing your results, and adjusting your tactics accordingly. I hope you found this tutorial useful as you take your eBay selling to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!